Pack your bags and get ready for a shocking revelation. What if we told you that, for the price of your monthly rent in the US, you could be living in a tropical paradise, enjoying gourmet meals, and even hiring household help? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for thousands of Americans, this is their reality. But where are they going, and why are they leaving the US behind? Stick around as we reveal 7 of the cheapest countries where Americans are flocking for an affordable, high-quality life. Are you feeling like your paycheck is vanishing into thin air every month? You're not alone. With the rising costs of housing, healthcare, and everyday expenses, many Americans are wondering, is there a better way? The answer might just be waiting for you overseas. Imagine slashing your expenses by 50% or more while enjoying a higher quality of life. Today, we're counting down 7 countries that offer exactly that. This has left many wondering, why struggle when you could be living in luxury elsewhere for a fraction of the cost? The good news: affordable, safe, and vibrant destinations exist. Kicking off our list at number 7 is Costa Rica, a tropical paradise where lush rainforests meet breathtaking coastlines and where the cost of living is nearly 40% lower than in the US. But don't be fooled by its affordability. Costa Rica isn't just about saving money, it's about upgrading your quality of life. This Central American gem is home to a thriving expat community, world-class healthcare, and modern amenities, all wrapped in the warm embrace of the Pura Vida lifestyle, a way of life centered on simplicity, relaxation, and deep appreciation for nature. Imagine waking up to the sounds of tropical birds, sipping fresh Costa Rican coffee as the sun rises over misty volcanoes, and ending your day with a sunset stroll along pristine beaches, all without breaking the bank. But what truly makes Costa Rica a dream destination is how accessible it is for expats. If you're retired, the Pensionado visa offers a seamless transition, requiring only proof of a $1,000 monthly pension, while allowing you to spend most of the year soaking up paradise. Not retired? No problem. The Rentista visa caters to those with passive income, requiring either a $2,500 monthly income guarantee or a $60,000 deposit in a Costa Rican bank, renewable every 2 years. And for the modern adventurers, digital nomads seeking a tropical escape, the Digital Nomad Visa is your ticket to paradise, requiring a $3,000 monthly income or $4,000 for families, and granting an initial 1-year stay with an option to extend. Whether you're looking for a permanent retreat or a fresh new adventure, Costa Rica offers an affordable, stress-free haven where life isn't just lived, it's savored. Coming in at number 6 is Bulgaria, the hidden gem of Eastern Europe, where affordability meets breathtaking landscapes and a rich cultural heritage. Though often overlooked in favor of more mainstream expat hotspots, Bulgaria quietly offers an irresistible combination of low costs, high quality of life, and modern conveniences. But here's where things get even more exciting. Real estate prices in Bulgaria are unbelievably low. Picture yourself waking up to the sight of rolling green hills or the sparkling Black Sea, all from the comfort of a home that cost you a mere fraction of what you'd pay in the US. Whether it's a charming city apartment or a countryside retreat, the dream of home ownership here is surprisingly within reach. For those eager to make Bulgaria their new home, the journey begins with the Type D visa. This essential permit opens the door to long-term residency, allowing individuals to establish their roots in this affordable paradise. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a retiree, or a student, this visa provides the legal entry you need to embrace a life of comfort and opportunity. But for retirees, Bulgaria presents an even smoother path to residency with its pensioner residency permit. If you have a stable retirement income and can show financial security, the country welcomes you with open arms. A simple bank deposit in a local account and a steady pension are all it takes to secure your future in one of Europe's most cost-effective havens. Once approved, this permit is renewable, ensuring long-term stability and peace of mind as you enjoy your golden years against the backdrop of Bulgaria's serene landscapes. But what about digital nomads, freelancers, and remote workers? While Bulgaria doesn't yet have a dedicated digital nomad visa, it still offers multiple paths for those who wish to work while enjoying the country's affordability. High-skilled professionals can apply for the prestigious EU Blue Card, granting them access to the broader European job market. Others take advantage of Bulgaria's freelancer permit or register as sole proprietors, allowing them to work independently while benefiting from the nation's remarkably low living costs. The options are varied, but the outcome is the same: freedom, flexibility, and financial ease in a country that blends tradition with modern living. At number 5, we have Peru, a country where the cost of living is nearly 50% lower than in the United States. While it may not be the first destination that comes to mind for expats, Peru is an undiscovered gem, boasting a rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and dynamic cities that offer both adventure and affordability. But what truly makes Peru stand out? It's the incredible cost savings, especially when it comes to food and transportation. Imagine savoring a full meal for just a few dollars, or hailing a taxi for less than $1. Your wallet will thank you. For those looking to make Peru their permanent home, the rentista visa is an enticing option, granting permanent residency without the hassle of renewals, as long as you can prove a passive income of at least $1,000 per month. Even better, holders of this visa are exempt from paying Peruvian income tax, a dream come true for retirees. And while Peru doesn't yet offer a specific digital nomad visa, remote workers can still carve out their own path, often starting with a tourist visa that allows stays of up to 183 days per year. Others go the entrepreneurial route by registering a business, unlocking even more opportunities to legally reside in this land of history, adventure, and affordability. But if you thought Peru was affordable, wait until you hear about number 4 on our list, Vietnam, a country where the cost of living is a staggering 60% lower than in the US. A rising star in the expat world, Vietnam has quickly become a hotspot for remote workers, retirees, and adventurers alike, thanks to its jaw-dropping natural beauty, modern conveniences, and an unbeatable price tag. Whether you dream of navigating the bustling streets of Hanoi, lounging on the pristine beaches of Da Nang, or soaking in the charm of ancient Hoi An, Vietnam has something for every lifestyle. But what truly makes Vietnam a haven for expats? It's not just the affordability, it's the welcoming expat community, the high-quality healthcare, and the endless opportunities to build a new life in one of Asia's fastest-growing economies. For those seeking long-term stability, the Temporary Residence Card, TRC, is the golden ticket, offering 2 to 10 years of residency without the need for constant visa renewals. Many expats begin their journey on a tourist visa, which grants stays of up to 90 days with multiple entries. While visa runs used to be a common loophole for long-term travelers, Vietnam has tightened restrictions, pushing expats to explore more sustainable residency options. Unlike its Southeast Asian neighbors, Vietnam doesn't have a dedicated retirement visa, but retirees can still secure long-term stays through business visas, investments, or family sponsorships. Some simply renew tourist visas to enjoy Vietnam's low cost of living, top-tier medical care, and tropical climate. And with the country's growing digital infrastructure, Vietnam is quickly becoming a paradise for remote workers looking to thrive in an exciting, ever-evolving environment. Number 3 on our list is Thailand. With a cost of living that's a staggering 70% lower than in the US, Thailand offers an irresistible blend of affordability, lifestyle, and culture that continues to attract thousands of expats every year. Imagine strolling through bustling night markets, savoring fresh pad Thai for under $2, and exploring breathtaking islands with turquoise waters, all while spending a fraction of what you would in the US. But Thailand isn't just a paradise for budget-conscious travelers. It's a haven for long-term residents, too. Whether you're looking to retire on pristine beaches, work remotely in a buzzing city, or simply soak in the country's rich history and warm hospitality, Thailand has a visa option tailored for you. Retirees over 50 can enjoy the country's affordable healthcare and laid-back lifestyle through the retirement visa, which requires either a bank deposit of approximately $22,500 or proof of a monthly income of $1,800. For those seeking a more luxurious, hassle-free residency, the Thailand Elite Visa grants up to 20 years of renewable stay with VIP benefits, airport fast-track services, and even exclusive lounge access. And for the adventurers not ready to commit, Thailand's tourist visa and visa exemption program allow extended stays, giving you a taste of life in the land of smiles before making the big move. But if you think Thailand is unbeatable, wait until you hear about our next destination. Taking the number 2 spot is Panama. Nestled between two oceans, this small but dynamic country is a hidden gem for those looking to relocate without sacrificing convenience. Compared to North America and Europe, the cost of living here is incredibly low, with comfortable lifestyles maintained on just $1,500 to $2,500 per month. Picture yourself renting a stylish apartment in Panama City for as little as $600, enjoying affordable yet high-quality healthcare, and indulging in gourmet dining at a fraction of US prices. But what truly sets Panama apart is its unbeatable visa options. The Pensionado Visa, one of the world's best retirement programs, grants permanent residency from day one to those with a lifetime pension of just $1,000 per month. The perks? Discounts on medical care, travel, entertainment, and even restaurant bills, making it one of the most retiree-friendly destinations on the planet. For those still working, the Friendly Nations Visa fast-tracks residency for U.S. citizens and over 50 other nationalities, offering an easy path to establishing a new life abroad. And for digital nomads, Panama's newly introduced remote work visa allows freelancers and online professionals to legally live in the country while working for foreign companies. But the real magic of Panama lies beyond paperwork. Imagine exploring untouched rainforests, relaxing on white sandy beaches, or strolling through the historic streets of Casco Viejo, all while being just a short flight away from the US. But if you think Panama is the ultimate expat dream, just wait until you see the country that claims the number 1 spot. It might just change your life forever. And finally, taking the crown as the number 1 most affordable and enticing country for Americans to live in: Spain. Spain offers 2 primary visa options for long-term stays: the non-lucrative visa and the digital nomad visa. The non-lucrative visa is perfect for retirees or those with passive income, requiring proof of financial stability, around 28,800 euros, approximately $30,100 annually for individuals, without the need to work in Spain. Meanwhile, the digital nomad visa is a game changer for remote workers, allowing Americans to legally live and work in Spain while earning from abroad. But the real magic lies in the cost of living. Housing in Spain is astonishingly affordable compared to major US cities. Whether you prefer a stylish city apartment or a countryside villa, you'll find options at a fraction of American prices. Dining out is an everyday luxury, with delicious tapas, fresh seafood, and fine wine costing far less than a night out in the States. Public transportation? Efficient, widespread, and incredibly cheap. And while some might hesitate over cultural differences or bureaucratic processes, thousands of Americans have already made the leap, finding not only a lower cost of living, but a higher quality of life. The question is, are you ready to take the plunge? So, what does this all mean for you? The truth is, living affordably while maintaining an incredible quality of life isn't just possible. It's happening right now for thousands of Americans. The idea of uprooting your life may seem daunting, but with the right research, planning, and mindset, your dream lifestyle could be just a plane ride away. Now, the real question is, what do you think? Could you imagine leaving behind the high cost of living in the US for a more affordable, fulfilling life abroad? Maybe you've even been considering it, but just needed a little push. Well, consider this your sign. Let's hear it. Would you take the leap and move to one of these affordable countries? Which destination speaks to you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more eye-opening content about affordable living, travel, and expat life.